Tired of manually adding new customers to your Convertkit email lists after they purchase through your Instamojo payment links? Let's fix that. Today, I'll guide you through connecting Instamojo payment links with Convertkit using Zapier, automating your email marketing and saving you precious time. First, make sure you have active accounts on Instamojo, Convertkit, and Zapier. Now, let's head over to Zapier and click on the Create Zap button, that big plus sign you see on the dashboard. This starts the process. In the Choose App and Event section, search for and select Instamojo as your trigger app. Next, choose New Payment as the trigger event, meaning Zapier will fire up every time a new payment is made. Click Continue. Now, you'll be prompted to connect your Instamojo account. You'll need your API key and auth token, which you can find in your Instamojo dashboard under API and Plugins. Copy and paste these into Zapier and click Continue. Next, Zapier will ask you to test Trigger to ensure the connection is working. If you have recent payment data, Zapier will display a sample of it. This confirms everything is set up correctly. Now, it's time to connect Convertkit. In the Choose App and Event section, search for and select Convertkit as your action app. Then, select Add Subscriber to tag as the action event. This adds new customers to specific tag. Click Continue. You'll be prompted to connect your Convertkit account using your API key, which you can find in your Convertkit account settings. Paste the API key into Zapier and click Continue. Next, select the tag you want your new Instamojo customers to be added to. Now, you need to map the data. Find the email field in Convertkit and select the corresponding email field from Instamojo to send the customers' emails to the tag. Finally, click Test Action to send a test subscriber to Convertkit. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, just turn on your Zap, and you're all set. Every new payment through your Instamojo link will automatically add the customer to your Convertkit list.